Are you worried that maybe your sill plates might need repaired? In this video, we're going to talk about what the sill plate is and how we go about fixing it and how you know if it needs to be fixed. Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at Acculevel. In this video, we're going to talk about kind of what the sill plate is and how you know if it needs replaced and maybe what that even looks like. So when we're talking about your sill plate, what that is that's a piece of wood that goes between your bottom of your floor joists and the top of your foundation wall. There's two times in which this rots out, and that's what we're talking about when we're talking about the need for replacement, is when that piece of wood, it's usually a 2x4 or a 2x6, rots out and your floor joists begin to sag or drop right on your exterior walls. When this happens, there's two things. Is normally what we see is a front porch, a step or something like that has begun to slope back towards the house, running water right against the wood structure of that home and that foundation, causing that sill plate to rot. The other time that we see this happening is just a lot of moisture in your crawl space, where the moisture's coming from the dirt floor inside up, and that rots out that sill plate. So one of the big key indicators that you're going to see to identify that, hey, I might have a problem with my sill plate, is that your floors maybe take a sharp dive right along the exterior walls. You may even get a gap between your hardwood or your carpet and the baseboard or the bottom of your wall. And so you don't really get drywall cracks above it, but there's this gap and there's kind of a hard dive there. The other thing you can do is just simply check it yourself. And this can be a very simple self-diagnosis, but it's just going in that crawl space, checking that bottom board that's sitting right on top of your foundation wall, and just hitting it with a screwdriver or a pocket knife, just to make sure that that is staying good and solid. And so once you start to see that smash, and you're going to see that mainly start to smash right where the floor joists land on it due to that pressure, and you'll just get a dip there, an imprint where your floor joists are sitting in on that. Or in the worst case scenario is that sill plate's completely gone. And so when that happens, you just lift that subfloor up, we pull that wood back and replace that with good wood back in its place to refill in that gap and to kind of push those floors back up if that's beginning to happen. Thank you for watching. I hope this video taught you a little bit more about your sill plate, how you know when it needs to be replaced and what that looks like. For more information, check out our website below. And again, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.